Operation Chastise was an attack on German dams carried out on 16-17 May 1943 by Royal Air Force No. 617 Squadron, later called the Dam Busters, using a purpose-built bouncing bomb developed by Barnes Wallis. The Möhne and Edersee dams were breached, causing catastrophic flooding of the Ruhr Valley and of villages in the Eder Valley. The Sorpe Dam sustained only minor damage. 2 hydroelectric power stations were destroyed and several more damaged. Factories and mines were also damaged and destroyed. An estimated 1,600 civilians, about 600 Germans and 1,000 mainly Soviet forced laborers, died. Despite rapid repairs by the Germans, production did not return to normal until September. Before the Second World War, the British Air Ministry had identified the industrialized Ruhr Valley, and especially its dams, as important strategic targets. In addition to providing hydroelectric power and pure water for steel making, they supplied drinking water and water for the canal transport system. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.